Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about what is our body made up of. Our body, as you can see, it is made up of skin. Below skin there is bone, and under the bones there are organs, and that organ is made up of cell. So basically we are going to study about cell. So you can see that human body is basically made up of skin. Our body is covered with skin, and some of our part is also covered with hair, like our head. It is covered by skin, and then under the skin there is bones and muscles, and under the bone and muscles there are organs, and these organs are made up of cell. Now the question is, what is cell? Now we will see cell. So to understand cell, we will take an example. Suppose I had given you to construct a wall. So to construct a wall, three basic things you need. First, brick. Second, cement. And third, sand. And then you can construct the wall. How you will construct? First you will put one brick, then second brick, then third brick, and then put cement. Again brick, and again brick, and then you can make the wall. Similarly, if I ask you to construct a human body, so to construct a human body we need cell. What do we need to construct a human body? We need cell. So if we join two or more cells together, then only we can construct the human body. As you can see here, many cells are combined and they are making human body. Our hands, our head, our leg, each and everything, it is made up of cell. Now you understand? So when we combine many cells together, they construct our body. So this is the concept of cell. Now we will understand on the basis of number of cell, how it is divided. So on the basis of number of cell, living beings are divided into two parts. Living beings are divided into two parts. One first part is those living beings which consist only one cell. Those living beings which consist only one cell. And those living beings which are made up of many cells. So one cell, which one is made up of many cells, they are known as microorganism. They are known as microorganism because we cannot see with our naked eyes. We need microscope to see this one cell. And those which are made up of many cells, they are known as organism simply. They are known as organism. And after this, again just take a revision that our body is made up of skin. Under the skin there is bone and muscles. Under the bone and muscle there are organs, and these organs are made up of cell. And this cell, when these cells are combined together like brick, they construct our body. So here 1, 2, 3, so many cells are combined together and they are constructing our body. So many cells combine together to construct our body. That's why cell is also known as basic unit of life. Cell is also known as basic unit of life. And on the basis of number of cell, living beings are divided into two parts. First part is one cell and second part is many cell. The living beings which is made up of only one cell are known as microorganism. The living beings which are made up of many cells are known as organisms. Example of one cell microorganism is virus, bacteria, and simple example of virus is coronavirus nowadays. And many cell, example of many cell is human being, bird, and like this so many things like plant and insects. They are made up of many cell. And one cell we cannot see, which is made up of one cell. We need for this microscope. That's why they are known as microorganism. This we can see with our eyes. That's why they are simply known as organism. To more clear the concept of cell, we need to understand more about cell. We need to know more about cell. So first, already we come to know that it is the basic unit of life. Second, that it is very teeny. We cannot see with our naked eyes. Third, different cell means for each different organ there is different cell. Our heart is made up of different cell. Our blood is made up of different cell. Our skin is made up of different cell. They look different. Different organ cell looks different. It means our skin cell will not similar to our muscle cell. Next, they are having different job. Suppose our blood carries oxygen and carbon dioxide in our body from one part to another part. This will more clear about with the help of example. Now, suppose our blood. This blood is made up of blood cell. This blood is made up of blood cell. Next, muscles. Our muscles is made up of muscle cell. And this blood cell, it is round in shape and it is of red color. Muscle cells, their shape is different. They are linear, means like a line they are, or we can say spindle shape. You can see a blood is like round and red color. Muscle cell looks like this. And this is nucleus, which is known as the brain of the cell. And what is the job of this blood cell? It transport oxygen. It transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. We transport oxygen and carbon dioxide in our body. And what is the work of muscle cells? It helps us to do the movement. It helps us to do the movement. Next, we can see one more type of cell is there, which is known as light sensitive cell. It is known as light sensitive cell. Light sensitive cell. It looks something like this. This is known as light sensitive cell. It is made up of this light sensitive cell only. Many cells are combined together. light sensitive cell. And then you can see its shape is linear and cone, so we can say cone shape. And what is the job of this light sensitive? As it is clear from the name, it helps us to differentiate between color. Difference between color. So with the help of this light sensitive cell, we can differentiate between color, that which color, this like white color. This light sensitive cell help us to recognize that this is white color and this is green color. Now I think you understood the concept of cell. Let's take the revision. That cell is the basic unit of life, means many cells are combined together and they build human body, they build any creature like insect, plant. It is very tiny, we cannot see without microscope. Third, they are different cell, means for different organs there is different cell. They look different, means every cell looks different as it is clear from the shape, and they are having different job. So blood cell, it is looking round shape, it is red in color, and it helps us to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide inside the body. Muscles, muscle is made up of muscle cell and they are linear or spindle shaped. Spindle means like this, which is sharp from the edges. This shape is not linear, this shape is known as spindle, means which is sharper from the edges, and it helps us to do the movement. Next, light sensitive cell. It is light made up of light sensitive cell and it is cone shape. And difference between color, with the help of this cell we can differentiate between the color. And this is all about cell, and now your cell chapter is finished, and I hope you like the video and you enjoy the video. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.